We're at Starbucks right now.
Have a good one.
Thank you, too. Fucking grabbed that dollar hella weird. It was so awkward.
And lower, but
The bitch put too much milk in it. What? Look at her bob.
What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob?
This shirt's kind of cute. Ow, baby. Look at these. They're kind of weird.
I feel like it just needed. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, this is so perfect. This song just, yeah. Punk rock ain't dead. This one's kind of everything. The color.
It's cute. It's 19.
Look at this. This is kind of cool. I don't like the fucking fat ass logo on it. These are kind of cute. It's time to go.
Yeah, I'm over it. That's 50% off. Say less.
We don't even need to talk about it. Bitch, these are fucking cute.
I'll just see how much it is. Red.
Yup, let me go back to the sale real quick. Oh, that's actually kind of cute. Wait, but what does that say? Death row. I got a potato mozzarella corn dog. I'm gonna try my first bite. Let's try this shit out. Mmm. Oh, bitch. Let's try it with some honey mustard.
These cucumbers are not giving.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that honey mustard is hella good. Mmm. 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 Okay, Kristen, what did you get?
Okay. With fucking spicy tuna. And it's so fucking good. It actually is hella good, I'm not gonna lie.
Is it hella good?
Yeah.
Espresso martini. It smells kind of good, right?
Chocolate espresso martini.
Well, heard it here. Espresso martini.
I'm only spending like cash. Oh my god, those are so cute.
Uh-oh.
Tiny tats.